Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be showing you different ways that you can create your layered flag design. I've got about 5 of these that I'm going to be putting out, maybe even some more. Right now this is the first one that I have out in the series. It's the We the People flag here. Basically what we're going to do is you have the option to do all completely layered, where you have the back layer, then the middle layer, and then the top layer is the actual letters. And as you can see, we've got a score mark in here, so you can perfectly glue those into place. I would recommend using spray glue if you use the default original smaller size, which is this size here. And then if you use a bigger size, you can still use spray glue to make it easier, or you can hand glue those. It wouldn't be so bad because the letters will actually be a little bit thicker the bigger you go. So the next thing that you can do is, let's say you don't want to do any gluing of the letters because they are smaller there and you don't have spray glue. Well, then you can just ignore this section, just delete the text from the file. It'll look just like this. This is the layout of the file. Delete that text and then turn the score lines into an engrave. That will actually engrave brown or black depending on the type of material you use. And then at that point, you don't even have to color in the letters. You would just have to color in the flag itself. So if you do an engrave, you may want to color the material, the color that you want first. That way you don't have to actually hand color this in. You'll have it colored beforehand. I chose to do it white here just for an example. But what you can do is, if you do score it out and you want the letters to be colored instead of engraved, you can actually score this, leave the masking tape on top, pull the masking tape off of all the stars and stripes and in between the letters, and then just leave the letter masking tape on. Then you can spray paint this entire top here, like red for example, or any color you want, and then you pull the letters out, and then you'll have the actual background, which would be white. So all of the striping and the stars in that example would be red, and then the letters would be white. And I can show you a couple photos at the end here to show you some examples of coloring. But that's pretty much it, you guys. That's literally all you got to do is print out the design, choose whether you want to score, engrave, or cut out and layer the letters together. And then you just stack them up after you're done painting, glue them all together, use the score lines for the letter cutouts if you choose, glue them in place, and then you're all set. You can start selling your printed flag here, make some money, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys next time.